In this video, I'm going to give you an amendment to my previous video. It's just one part. Section B, question 1c. We want to sketch the graph of y equals to f of x when a equals to -2 on the axis below. In my first attempt to the section B, I actually omitted a very important feature to the graph, which is a point of discontinuity. So what I'm going to show you is first, this is the defined function, and if I say I substitute a equals to -2, you can actually see this function can be simplified to x squared minus x minus 3 divided by x plus 1. Compared to the previous version, we had an x squared minus 1. So there is a factor from the denominator disappearing. Why is that? First of all, if you look at the structure, this is the numerator when a equals to -2. You will actually see cubic function like that. And then if you factorize this cubic function, you will actually see the x minus 1 appears as a distinct linear factor. And this can be further canceled by the x minus 1 in the denominator, okay? So in that case, if you, let's say, try to evaluate, say, f1 when a equals to -2, it's undefined. And when you graph it, when you graph this function, well, if you put a -2 here, -2 here, yeah, it looks like a not too much different from what I just drew before. But when you go for menu trace button, graph trace. Actually, I should go for trace button, trace step. Use 0.1, see what happens. See, at x equals to 1, it's undefined, okay? So it must be a hollow point. It's not a vertical asymptote, but it's a hollow point. To get the value here, what I will do is I might need to take a limit. So limit button, when x approaches to 1 from the left side, f of x, a is -2. Yep, you will see it's -3/2. And if I have the limit of x approaches to 1 from the right side, under the condition a equals to -2, it's -3/2 or -1.5, okay? That's where this point of discontinuity evolves. So if you are going to plot a similar graph on your exam book, let's say, you probably need to indicate something like this. I'll press 1, enter, -1.5, enter. And make sure you draw this point like a clear empty circle, okay? Like a clear empty circle. So that's what you're supposed to indicate on your graph sketching, okay? Graph sketching question. Yeah, that's pretty much what I want to say. And yeah, I'll see you another time. Bye.